All right, a package came while we were at the zoo. What do you guys think it is?
Pocket rocket?
Pocket rocket? What do you think?
A dirt bike.
Dirt bike? Well, it's, can you read? It says it right there.
Gas machine.
Gas machine?
Gas mini chopper.
Do you even know what that is?
No.
All right, let's take a look. All right, let's see what it is. Ooh, there's some tools.
Oh my gosh, what the?
What do you think that is?
It's a mini bike.
It's a mini chopper. It's like a mini motorcycle for you guys.
Sweet.
You guys want to try her out?
Yeah.
All right, let's get her out of the box. All right, we got it out of the box. So looks actually pretty small. So I think we just got to assemble the front wheel and put the handlebars on, and that'll be about it. So, all right, you guys want to help me put this together?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here she is all put together. Took, I don't know, 15 minutes. I ended up using my tools. We also had to run to the gas station and get some gas to mix some gas and oil. They say it's 25 to 1, so we just mixed some gas and threw it in there. So, what do you think? Why don't you sit on there, see what you look like on there? That thing is tiny. Holy moly. All right, you want to give her a try starting her up?
Yeah.
All right, let me read directions quick and we'll see what we got to do. All right, let me try to start her up here. Ah, there we go. Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Too bad it's so dark out already. We'll have to try it in the morning.
Yeah.
All right, here it is the next day. You want to try to start her up?
Yeah.
You gotta hold it tight. Oh, there you go. Pretty easy. All right, you want to give her a rip?
Yeah.
All right, let's head out. What do you think? Hey, can I go for a ride with you?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like our hogs match. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, you guys have fun riding this thing around?
Yeah.
It sure looks like you did. This thing is pretty fast. It's really small and it's really lightweight. You could definitely throw it in the back of a truck or probably in the back of a car. Yeah. So what you would like about this thing?
I just like going speeding down the road.
Yeah. How about you, Jordan?
I like riding it.
Yeah. So it's the best for driving on concrete or asphalt. I wouldn't consider driving it on grass or dirt. It has no suspension. Seat is kind of hard, but you know, it looks pretty awesome. So what do you guys think? 2 thumbs up for this thing?
Yeah.